In this lecture, I want to talk about span element. A span tag is used for grouping and applying styles to inline elements. And create a h1 tag. This heading is very important. Save, refresh. Okay, now I want change the important color. Use span and close this tag here. Set a style, color with red. Save, refresh. There you go. I changed important color. There is a difference between the span tag and the div tag. The span tag is used with inline elements, whilst the div tag is used with block level content. So a span tag is used with inline elements, whilst the div tag used with block level content. Okay, I will see you in next lecture. Good luck.